Hey everyone, welcome to the Reloptix VRX adapter installation. Today we're going to be covering the Rift S, similar to the Quest 1, the Quest 2, and the HP Reverb G2. When you get your package, you'll open it up by relieving the tab. You're going to find your welcome card with the QR code on the back to get to this video here. Your anti-reflection wipe, and your adapters. One thing important to note for the Rift S and the Quest 1, you'll have rings around your lenses. You're going to want to pop those off and set those aside so you can install your new adapters. To install your adapters on the Quest 2, you're going to want to remove the foam cover. And then to make it easier, you're going to want to move your IPD to IPD1. Now when you remove your adapters, you can use your tab to easily place your lens somewhere safe, like this foam side, or this foam side here. Installation's pretty easy. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get on the back side first. On the back side first, finishing with your nasal side here. Let me show you how that goes. Back side first, then nasal side. You'll hear a small snap, maybe you won't. To check and make sure that it's installed correctly, just soft pull in a couple different areas to make sure it's not coming up. That's the same magnetic pressure you'll be using to take your frame on and off. Let's do the left side. Move your adapter. Place your lens somewhere safe. Back side. Front side. Soft pull. Not coming up. To install your frames, just match up your left symbol with your left symbol on your frame. The magnets will do the trick. Just like that. Now the rest of the install, you're going to want to insert your frame spacer. And then replace your foam cover. Just like that. And you're good to go. Let's try that on the Rift S. Now remember, remove your rings on the outside from the Quest 1 and the Rift S. Then take your frames and place them somewhere nice. Somewhere they won't scratch. Okay. Same thing, backside first. Then nasal side. Soft pull, not coming up. Back side first, then nasal side. Do that again. Soft pull, not coming up. Install your frames. Just like that. Now if it's skewed like this, just go ahead and push on one side, and it'll come back up. You can make sure it's in place and the magnets are doing their trick by pushing on the nasal side, and you'll see that the magnet retracts. Let's do the installation for the G2. For the G2, remove your foam cover by pulling it off, set aside. Similar method, remove your frame, set it somewhere nice. Backside first, front side, give it a little push. You won't hear any snaps with this adapter. It's going to go on snug. Soft pull. Soft pulls. Not coming up. Install your frame. Just like that. Let's do the left side. Remove your frame. Backside first. It's easier if you lay it flat. Push on the nasal side. Soft pull. Push it down. It looks even all the way around the lens. There's no side that's gapped. Soft pull. Install your frame. Now you can install your foam cover. And you're good. And that's it. For further assistance, please reach out to help@reloptix.com or send us a chat on Facebook.